Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, what is wrong with Enzo Maresca? What is wrong with bald-head, drunkard, inexperienced, clueless, shambolic Enzo Maresca? I never see this in my entire life as a Chelsea fan. My entire life as a football fan, I never see this. A manager changing a winning team entirely, completely, the most important game, the most needed game. A manager changing a winning team. How on earth? Are you telling me that you are exchanging Conference League to Premier League? Are you telling me that you are exchanging Conference League to top 4? Masa, what are you talking about? Because of Champions League football, Chelsea not playing Champions League football. Chelsea lost so many fans. Chelsea lost so many monies. And even it downgraded our team because of playing champion. What am I going to do with Conference League? Conference League is normal level. Even the players we have, can they even go and win the Conference League game? You are benching Cole Palmer, you are benching Cucurella, you are benching Jackson because of Conference League game. How on earth? A winning team. A team that dismantled, shattered off Spurs. That team, instead of you to approach this brave. In fact, this game was even tougher than the Spurs game. Guys, what is Enzo Maresca using our team for? In fact, they must investigate Enzo Maresca. I'm telling you, he is using Chelsea for betting. Enzo Maresca is using Chelsea for gambling. I'm telling you, because I can't imagine this. I am not a coach. I am in Ghana. I'm not even in Europe, and I can see the writings. Someone who is with the players every day, training ground every day in the bus, eating together, he can't see the writings as we the fans are seeing. I don't understand. Cucurella can stop Mbuyema or Mbuye. Cucurella can stop him. You don't need to play Rhys James at the left back position to stop him. No. If you want to get the best of your players, play them at their right position. I don't understand. Maresca went and play James at the left back. How can he deliver? Rhys James is not a left back. He is a right back. Play him in his normal position. Ben Gusto start Cucurella at his normal position. Cucurella stopped the legs of Saka and Co. Want to talk of Mbuyema? You are benching Cucurella because of Mbuyema. How, guys? How? I don't understand. Starting Nkunku ahead of Jackson. Where do you see it? What is the reason why these guys return from injury? What is the reason why Cole Palmer and Jackson? For them to come and play, deliver, so that we can enter for comfortable. Now they came back, you banned them. You put them on the bench and you started Nkunku. See, since the season started up to now, Nkunku is not the Nkunku that we used to know previous seasons ago. So now everything is stipulated. Everything is manifested that Nkunku doesn't fit into your tactics, into Maresca tactics. I don't know why Maresca started him in this game. Just because of Conference League game, are you telling me you sacrifice Premier League 3 points for Conference League? Guys, Maresca cannot be our coach going forward until he's changed his idea, his mentality. In fact, during the Spurs game or after the Spurs game, the way he approached the game the last minutes, I started developing like for this man. But I don't know why. This game, he scattered everything. This game, Maresca. Even if I see bald-head people in town, like the more I became annoyed. I'm telling you. Recently, if I'm walking in town and I see people with bald hair, I became most annoyed because of Enzo Maresca. No. What kind of decisions are that? What kind of starting 11 is that? In fact, Chelsea lost the game from the starting 11. How Enzo Maresca? Abba. If you don't want to win, who told you that Chelsea fans don't want to win? If you say that you are inexperienced, you are clueless, who told you that Chelsea fans were clueless? We are even lucky that City drew these weekends. So imagine we won. The points will be cap. We will have the points, in fact, open. I don't know why, guys. In fact, Enzo Maresca is playing again. I keep on saying it. This man is playing against Chelsea. I'm telling you. See, beginning of the season, we were winning. For me, I can tell you that it was from the players. Yes, last season, the insult that they had. Yes, from we the fans and the media. The players, yes, they were playing with determination. But immediately, Enzo Maresca said, we are no more in the title race. The players, their determination went low. Yes, it went down completely. So I'm telling you that even Chelsea not winning the Premier League this season, it is because of Enzo Maresca mentality, losing mentality, championship mentality. Enzo Maresca is not a Premier League team coach. He cannot be a big team coach. No. See, as a big team, you must win. Oh. That is why we are spending that huge money signing players. We are not just signing players for signing sake. We are signing to come and win, to come and compete, not to manage games because of Conference League. I don't know. What is the guarantee that even the Conference League we are going to win it? What is the guarantee? And what is the guarantee that we are going to finish this season in top 4 position? Look at the league table. Newcastle, Aston Villa, everybody, they have the chance to finish top 4. So what can we do? Let's win the game in front of us and open the points, open the gap. But guys, Enzo Maresca sold this game. I'm telling you, he sold this game. This game was intentional from Enzo Maresca. He is using Chelsea for betting. Like, Charlie, pains all over my body. See, this man, if he doesn't change the way he is approaching his game with this our Chelsea, I don't see Enzo Maresca finishing next season. No. The mentality is not Chelsea manager mentality. No. So guys, Chelsea lost the game from the starting 11 from Enzo Maresca. This game, for me, I believe that he drank after putting out this starting 11. How on earth you bench Cole Palmer, you bench Cucurella, you bench Jackson for most needed game? You bench our best player. How can we win? Look at the first half. Look at the first 45 minutes. Enzo Maresca just wasted the first 45 minutes. How on earth they gave you 90 minutes to play football? You wasted first 45 minutes, expecting to win the next 45 minutes. What is the guarantee? Who told you that football game you must win at the second half? See, I'm telling you, look at the way when he brought them in, Cucurella and Co, the way we started pressing, attacking. Imagine we started this game with all these players, first team player, Cucurella, Cole Palmer, and Jackson and Co. Yes, during the first half, Chelsea would have scored a goal. I'm telling you. But look at what Enzo Maresca did. He gambled with this game. He gambled with our heart. Starting Nkunku and Co, Keenan and Co. Like, what are you telling me? Where were they when we needed 3 points? Where were they, Enzo Maresca? During December, where were Keenan? Where were Nkunku? Now, the time that we needed our first team players, the time that we needed Cole Palmer and Co, in which they are available, you ban them. And Brentford is not an easy team. The way Enzo Maresca underrated them, they are not like that. He just let Chelsea wasted the first 45 minutes. The players could not play this game. It is because of Enzo Maresca. Football is about chemistry. Yes, those players who always play together and play good football, if you don't start them together, they can play. This game we could not see Caicedo and Co, because those around him, they weren't there. Cole Palmer and Co, Jackson and Co, even the second half when Jackson came in and had those chances, the whole 45 minutes, Nkunku didn't have a single chance of that. And look at even the football Cole Palmer play in the second half. Imagine he started that football in the first half. By now, Chelsea will be holding the 3 points. By now, Chelsea will be having the 3 points in the back. Guys, what is wrong with Enzo Maresca? Why are you benching them? 7 games to go. The season is ending. Why are you benching your most needed important players? To go where? It looks like Chelsea next match is Champions League game, or Champions League semi-final or final. So for that matter, let me bench my most important. We are not playing anything apart from the Premier League, the Conference League. And the Conference League, even I can't even compare it to any league. It is the lowest. Yes, it is because of our owners' shambolic signings, our owners' shambolic spending, reckless spending, spontaneous spending, haphazardly spending. That is why we are here today. Why Chelsea should go and play Conference League? Why my Chelsea should go and play Conference League? So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. In fact, Enzo Maresca sold this game. Enzo Maresca gambled with this game, guys. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.